Stop searching through forums for answers and build your own Amazon consultant using Google Gemini. And I'm going to be showing you how to do it pretty quickly, right? And here's an example. This is one that we created, an Amazon Seller Central Expert. They know everything about Amazon, right? And for example, if something comes up on your account, your listing gets deactivated, let's say your account got deactivated in Canada, you don't even sell in Canada, right? And let's say there was a performance notifications, what you could literally do is you could literally just screenshot it, right? Be super lazy, take a little screenshot, right? So we're taking a screenshot of this. We're going back into this special Gemini. We're going to paste it in here. And all we're going to say is, what do I do? A little sad face, just to show Gemini I'm sad. And then pretty much what it's supposed to do is tell us exactly how to solve the problem. Now, obviously, that's not enough. We don't want exactly, here's the step-by-step, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step. What we want is also, has anybody else solved the problem? If so, do they have a video on how they did it? So we've got step 1. So they're already just that fast. Instead of us doing all this research, it's telling us exactly what to do. Step 1, fix the loop and formatting glitch. And actually, this is important. A flat file, right? Exact matching. So you're reviewing your bills, right? Unified appeal approach. Do not submit separate POAs initially. Focus your efforts on the Canada dashboard, because pretty much what happened is their Canada account got suspended and their US account got suspended in return. So they're saying just focus on Canada. Request video verification that you are who you say you are. And then look right here, critical resource links. And it's a YouTube video of the actual same as problem that they're having solved. It literally says solve, like an actual, here's another one, how to solve it. Another one from Amazon Forums, another one from Reddit. So we've got a link from YouTube on how to solve it, a Google URL link, an Amazon form link, and a Reddit link. So we've got multiple links to provide extra on how to resolve this issue. And of course, we have a step-by-step. Now, this took seconds, right, to generate. If you did this in regular Gemini, it wouldn't work, okay? So you have to actually create your own gem, your own pretty much robot within Gemini. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up Gemini. So we're going to do a new chat, right? That's the first thing we're going to do. And we need it to help us create this new bot. Now, you can do fast, you can do thinking, you can do pro. I recommend to do pro, but I'm just going to do fast for this video. Hi, Gemini. What you're going to do is you're going to create me a gem. This gem is going to be an Amazon consultant with over 20 years experience. They know everything Amazon. What they're going to do is whenever I have a problem or a question, I'm going to ask them, hey, here's the problem. Maybe I'll send them a screenshot. They're going to give me a very concise step-by-step on how to resolve the problem. At the bottom, they're also going to be giving me a YouTube link on somebody who already had the problem solved. They're also going to be giving me a Google link, an Amazon form link, and a Reddit link. So that way I have multiple ways to solve the problem. Maybe I'm not good at writing, but I'm good at reviewing things and videos. So this is going to help me. Make sure that the answers are very concise and they should be less than 50 words per bullet point or per step to solve the problem. Okay, so that's an example. So I like to talk it out. So you're just going to talk it out. It's okay if it has wrong spelling. But what we're all going to do is say, this is a gem, okay? And then what we need to do, this is a gem, provide us with, we're going to do number 1, we're going to need a title of the gem. Number 2, description of gem. And number 3, instructions to create the gem. Now, again, I would probably do this in pro, but I'm just going to do this in fast right now. And we're going to see what it comes out with. So we've got the title of the gem, the descriptions, and we have the instructions. And the instructions should be pretty solid. Pro tip for getting the most out of the gem. So there we go. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to open up another chat. And this one's going to be the gem. So we're going to go to gems. We're going to go to new gem. And then now we're going to create the gem. All right, we're almost done. Okay, so AMZ Navigator Pro. Okay, so once you have it copied and pasted, it should look like this. We've got the name, the description, the instructions, right? And then we're going to click save. And you can call it whatever you want, your little Amazon consultant, whatever you want to do it. You're going to click save, and then you're going to start the chat. And here we go. So it did answer. The first response was a little bit slower than expected, but you can see kind of the analysis and then kind of going through the solutions. And of course, it's not perfect, but this is in the right direction. It's usually never going to be perfect the first try, right? You're not going to put one prompt in and it's going to be perfect, right? Usually it's going to take a few prompts and iterations. You're going to make it a little bit better, change it a little bit, make it how you want it. Maybe it's still too long. Maybe you want more bullet points, but immediate action step to break the loop. So it's saying this new strategy that I never knew of how to actually get around the glitch, which is pretty cool. Also matching the documentation quality, which the other one didn't mention, and then pretty much not submitting separate appeals, obviously. And then it's going through the YouTube link, the Google link, the Amazon forum link, and the Reddit link. And then it kind of goes through the different links, who else is stuck, and then kind of going through potential solutions, right? And this is all very, very good to help you in your journey. Now, again, like I said, it's not going to be perfect the first time, but it's going to be good. We want it to be great. In order for it to be great, what you're going to have to do is go back and go through the instructions and make the instructions even better. Space it out, make it unique, right? Add more to it. Go back to the initial prompter, the one that actually we spoke to initially, and say, hey, look, I like this, but I need our prompt to have this, right? And then it can reprompt it and make it prompt that's better. But this is pretty much the fastest way to create your own Amazon seller expert. And yes, it is fast. Yes, it does work. Yes, it's going to take a couple iterations to make it perfect. But once it's perfect, you've got a gem. That's it for today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.